Hi, boys and girls. It's Meme Kate's again. And I found this book. It's so cute. Little Nelly's Big Book. And it is by Pippa Goodhart. Little Nelly looked in a book and found out that she was a mouse. After such a big discovery, little Nelly was tired. I need somewhere to sleep, she said. Little Nelly looked in the book again and she read, Mice have homes behind holes in the walls. They like to chew. So little Nelly went home. Hello, said little Nelly. I'm a new mouse for your house. You're kind of a big mouse, said Mikey. I'm not, said little Nelly. If I'm a big mouse, why am I called Little Nelly? I don't think you're a mouse at all, said Mikey. I am, said little Nelly. I am. I looked in a book, and it says that I am. Big book of knowledge. Don't worry about what anybody says, little Nelly, said Granny Mouse. You're very welcome here. We'll take care of you. And they did. Little Nelly fit in very well. But even though the other mice were kind to her, little Nelly sometimes felt that she was different. And she did get awfully hungry. Granny Mouse saw how things were, and she had an idea. Little Nelly, she said, I've been asking around, and I found out that there are other mice like you. Most of them live far away, but some live in a zoo nearby. Really? Said little Nelly. Can we go and see them, please? Of course, said Granny Mouse. So they all set off for the zoo. You see what the signs say? Wow, look at all the zoo mice, said Mikey. They're just like you, little Nelly, only bigger. I told you I was little, said little Nelly. The zoo mice were kind and nice to the visiting mice. They were big helpings of food and other stuff. Would you like to live here with us? The zoo mice asked little Nelly. Yes, please, little Nelly said. We can all be zoo mice. Just then Mikey came running. Look, little Nelly, look what I found out from your book. What is it? Asked little Nelly. I discovered that I'm not a mouse after all, said Mikey. Really? Then what are you? Said little Nelly. I'm an elephant, said Mickey. Elephants can be brown or gray. Elephants have big ears. Elephants have skinny tails. That's interesting, said little Nelly. But Mickey, even though you aren't a mouse like me, I'm still your friend. Thanks, little Nelly, said Mickey. Which just goes to show you why books should always have pictures. And that is the story of Little Nelly's Big Book. I hope you enjoyed the story. Goodbye, Cameron. Goodbye, everybody.